Well, g'day folks, I thought I'd give you a bit of an update on the van. So I've done quite a bit since the last video, I think, or at least it feels like I have. So I've got all the insulation in the roof now. So that's pretty good. It's 25mm foam insulation that you glue on. And the roof is slightly caved, so you can't, slightly concave, so you can't just glue a panel on, you've got to cut it all into small sections and glue it up piece by piece, and then there'll be lining that goes on over the top of that. I finished this sidewall, at least from here on there's going to be the shower, so I've got to wait for the shower to turn up before I continue this part. But I finished with the sidewall from here. Got this hook in that we've covered in another video. There's another one here now. So yeah, all this wood, I would have preferred it, this way so the light's a bit better. I would have preferred it to be running long ways, but I couldn't work out how to do that because of this. The walls are in and out and in and out, and there's little notches that stick out, and it was just too curvy and too weird, so I couldn't work it out. So that's why I've gone up and down this way. And I had that cargo barrier that separates the front from the back. I had that for sale on Facebook, and a guy come to look at it and he said, "Oh, you don't need a single chair, do you?" And I said, "Well, I sure do." So he took the cargo barrier and I got his single chair. So if you see here, this is the old chair. I've got to try and get rid of that now. But he's given me, we did the swap. So at the front here you can see, I think you can see, so now there's two chairs. This one is the one he gave me, which is in excellent condition, so I'm very happy with that. But now I can easily just walk straight through into the front and into the back. That makes life a lot easier, so I'm very happy with that, how that unraveled, because I wasn't sure what I was going to do or how that was going to work, other than I was just going to worry about it later when I got to it. So that's good, that. Very happy about that. Yeah, so the next part, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do next, because I really want the shower unit. So when the shower goes in, then I can build the sink and the bench on from the shower, and I don't want to build that first, in case the shower rocks up and I've got to adjust it or change it or something. I don't really want to put the lining on the roof. I guess I can, but I really wanted to make sure the shower was in first. That's why this gap is left in the roof. So I really wanted the shower to go in. And I can't really do the floor, even though I probably should have done that first. I mean, I can do half the floor, but I'd really like the shower and the kitchen in so I could work my way around that as I laid the floor. I finished this box today, here. So that's a lid, so I finished the lid. If I lift it up now, all that stuff will fall off, but so there's two storage boxes in there. I'm still not sure what I'm going to do with this. This is a little bit weird because the angles are funny, it's in and out, and here is a little weird, and the roof folds in at the front. And we've got these things that they're kind of hard to work around, so I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet. I've got to put the solar panels on the roof, and the battery will go in under here behind the fridge. So yeah, so that's the process. Since I stuck these on, it has made the motorbike a little bit harder to stick in, because I lose about this much space from here to here. Still goes in, but I would have liked the extra space. And also now, if I ever make this bed flip over so you can sleep long ways, I've lost a bit of space with that as well, because again, the same distance on this side and the same distance on this side, kind of lost here. you can see, like, that's how much space I've lost. Anyway, I can worry about that when I need to. Yes, anyway, that's about it. So I'm not sure what the next stage is. Because I like to start a section and then finish it, and then move on and start a section and finish it. I don't like doing a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and then go back to the first part and then go back to the third part, and then I'm all over the shop. So got to mount the TV. Not so much the TV, but the computer screen. So this, as I've said before, this is the standing desk and the bed. So I want the monitor on the wall. And I've got to run lights, wiring for lights. So whether I put in permanent lights, it's very easy to get rechargeable magnetic lights now. They plug into the cigarette lighter and charge, and apparently they charged for, I forget now, but for days and days and days and days. So it'd be very easy just to get those and put them around the joint. That'd be the easiest option. Anyway, I'll worry about that later. See you soon.